Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and then search in right hand side and then enter your model number of your motherboard B860 DS3H WIFI6E, then hit enter. And then click to product and click to title of the page. Then click to support. And select operating system Windows 10 11. So install any, but installation process same. VGA extract, you just click to this is VGA driver and this is size, just click to download. It will start downloading. So it is completed, just double click to launch and then double click to exe. Then close it, it is installed.